and it scares the hell out of me.
Do you remember the 3 laws of robotics, originally written by the writer Isaac Asimov about 75 years ago? 1. A robot may not injure a human being, or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. 2. A robot must obey the orders given it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence, as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second laws. Well, these laws seem infallible if implemented correctly until you watch the film Irobot. In this film, an autonomous and self-acting super-intelligent computer takes control of millions of robots and decides to take control of humankind, because humans are destroying themselves and destroying their environment, the Earth. Ultimately, this super artificial intelligent computer decides that humans can be killed if they get in the way of its purpose, or what it perceives as doing the right thing, when it's protecting humankind as a whole and protecting itself, which is the super artificial intelligent mega computer. Very scarily, and very recently, listen to what Elon Musk said in an interview regarding artificial intelligence.
I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot. And nobody would suggest that we allow anyone to just build nuclear warheads if they want. That would be insane. And mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Millions of self-driving, autonomous, self-learning, automatic controlled machines are now in our cities all around the globe. They can drive by themselves. They are individually controlled by independent computers. They all have a direct data link with a central supercomputer. They are extremely powerful in comparison to humans, with engines up to 778 brake horsepower. They can turn on internal heaters and air conditioning as they see fit, and many other controls as well. They have been known to mow down pedestrians accidentally. Should we be afraid? It's already been proven that even the highest security systems in the world have been hacked by intelligent, resilient and resourceful groups and individuals with evil intent. In 2020, the Trump administration in the USA admitted that the State Department, the Department of Homeland Security and parts of the Pentagon had been compromised. Investigators were struggling to determine the extent to which the military intelligence community and nuclear laboratories had been affected by this highly sophisticated attack. What is stopping anyone, or a super intelligent, self-reliant, artificial intelligent beast, from infiltrating autonomous vehicles' information and data centers and overtaking and controlling these robots, which are already on our roads and have the potential of driving people into fatal injuries and accidents? Why do we as humans have this desire for autonomous driving while we play with our mobile devices behind the steering wheel? Is laziness and the addiction to media, social or otherwise, more important than the safety of our loved ones and the welfare of humans in general?
And it scares the hell out of me. And it scares the hell out of me. And it scares the hell out of me.
Is he worried that he's created the world's first international Irobot scenario? I would love to hear your comments below. Thanks for watching.